Hello guys, in today's video we are going to teach you how to use insert into in SQL auto increment that we created in our SQL server. So let's begin. Now with your SQL server open, click new query and just type use sales and then execute. After that, just type insert into persons and then open parenthesis and type first name, comma, last name, close parenthesis, and then type values. After that, open parenthesis, apostrophe, Lars, apostrophe, comma, apostrophe, Monsen, apostrophe, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then click execute. After that, click refresh and go to persons and click edit top 200 rows. That's it. Thanks for watching.